Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you'll be doing well. Today we are going to start our lesson with comprehension number 9 solved exercise. So let's get started with the reading first. A man is known by the company he keeps. एक शख्स अपनी सोहबत से पहचाना जाता है. A good student should avoid the company of those who keep playing all the time. एक अच्छे तालिब इल्म को उनकी सोहबत से बचना चाहिए जो हर वक्त खेलते रहते हैं. Many students miss their classes and seldom do their homework because some other fellow students do the same. बहुत से तालिब इल्म अपनी जमातों से गैर हाजिर रहते हैं और कभी कभार ही अपना काम स्कूल का करते हैं क्योंकि उनके हम जमात भी ऐसा ही करते हैं. There are hard-working students who also work while others play. कुछ मेहनती तालिब इल्म भी हैं जो काम करते हैं जबकि दूसरे खेलते हैं. They know when to study and when to play. They play when it is time to play. They enjoy the games of their choices because they know that playing games is essential for health. वो उस वक्त खेलते हैं जब खेलने का वक्त होता है. वो अपनी पसंद के खेल से लुत्फ़ अंदोज़ होते हैं क्योंकि वो जानते हैं कि खेलना सेहत के लिए ज़रूरी है. A sick student is not so quick in learning his lesson as is a healthy one. एक बीमार तालिब इल्म अपना सबक याद करने में उतना चुस्त नहीं होता जितना कि एक सेहतमंद तालिब इल्म होता है. So let's move to the questions and answers. What kind of company should a good student keep? A good student should keep good company. Why do some students miss their classes? They miss their lessons because some other fellow students do the same. Why do good students enjoy good health? Good students enjoy good health because they work and play at the proper times. Why are games necessary for students? Games are necessary for students because games keep them healthy. And the last question is, what factors may bring success to a student? The success of a student lies in following a timetable of work and play. Now let's move to the next exercise. Newspaper keep us constantly in touch with the whole of mankind. अखबारात हमारा ताल्लुक़ मुस्तकिल तौर पर तमाम इंसानों से कायम रखते हैं. In old days, a man's world was limited to his own village and one or two neighboring villages. पुराने ज़माने में एक शख्स की दुनिया उसके अपने गांव और एक या दो हमसाया गांव पर मुश्तमिल होती थी. It was difficult for him to know what was going on in other parts of the country. But today, the press, assisted by rapid means of communication, brings us news from the farthest corners of the globe. लेकिन आज के दौर में अखबारात तेज़ रफ्तार ज़राए मुवासलात की मदद से दुनिया के दूर दराज के कोनों से हम तक खबरें पहुंचा देते हैं. The press is also responsible for educating the public opinion. प्रेस राय आमा हमवार करने का भी ज़िम्मेदार है, यानी लोगों को एजुकेट करने का भी ज़िम्मेदार है. The law of a nation are really shaped by its press. किसी कौम के कवानीन हकीकी तौर पर इसकी प्रेस ही बनाती है. Now press is the newspaper industry जहाँ पे अखबारात छपते हैं. In fact, the public receives guidance from the newspapers. Thus, their power in modern times is undeniable. हकीकत में अवाम अखबारात से ही रहनुमाई हासिल करती है. इस तरह जदीद ज़माने में इनकी ताकत वाकई बहुत ज़्यादा है. The first question we have is, what good do the newspapers do to us? Newspapers keep us in touch with the latest world affairs and happenings. Why in older days could a man not know what was going on in far off places? In older days, man could not know what was taking place at distant places due to lack of means of communication. Now, dear students, you can easily see that how the answer is shaped according to the question. Directly lines from the passage are not taken. What is the responsibility of the press today? Today, the press is responsible for educating the public opinion. How are the laws of a country shaped nowadays? Newspapers play a great part in shaping the laws of a country. How are newspapers a source of public guidance? Newspapers bring us full information relating to all aspects of the society. What is your opinion about the power of the press? The press has great power. This is the line where the answer lies. So you can shape it according to the question. That is it for today, dear students. We have completed our all comprehension solve exercises. From tomorrow, we'll be starting our passive voice sentence of present tense. So till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.